Have you ever wondered why it feels like some people are just getting lucky? Every day, you hear about someone quitting their job, starting their own thing, and making more money in a few months than they did in years. But when you dig deeper, you realize it's not luck. People who were working normal 9-to-5 jobs, struggling freelancers, or even complete beginners, are quietly building online businesses, scaling side hustles, and in some cases, becoming millionaires, thanks to artificial intelligence. I'll show you real strategies, real examples, and the exact types of AI tools they are using. And most importantly, it's AI most people around you have no idea it's even happening. Right now in 2025, we are living through a silent revolution. But with AI, the playing field has changed. And the crazy part, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how normal people are quietly becoming rich using it. Stay till the end, because I'll share a simple action plan you can follow, starting today. Let's dive in. Let's start with a simple truth. In previous generations, people needed special skills, years of education, or massive startup capital to build wealth. The first way normal people are building wealth is by scaling freelance income using AI. Freelancers could take only a limited number of projects, because it would take hours to write, design, or create something manually. Her monthly income went from $500 to over $3,000 in less than 3 months, working fewer hours. But now, thousands of freelancers on platforms like Fiverr and People Per Her are using AI tools like ChatGPT, KTEB, and Perplexity AI to deliver high-quality work in a fraction of the time. Let me give you a real example. Sarah, a stay-at-home mom from the UK, used to work part-time writing blog articles. She barely made $500 a month because writing took her too long. Then she discovered ChatGPT. Now, she takes orders for YouTube scripts, blog posts, product descriptions, and delivers 4 to 5 orders per day instead of 1. AI doesn't replace freelancers. It supercharges their productivity, allowing them to scale income without burnout. The second way people are becoming rich is by building faceless YouTube automation channels with it. In 6 months, his channel grew to 100,000 subscribers, and now it earns him over $4,000 per month passively, more than double his previous salary. In 2025, faceless channels are booming because people love short, engaging, educational, or entertaining content, but many don't want to show their face on camera. Here's how normal people do it. They use ChatGPT to write engaging scripts. They use ElevenLabs AI to generate natural-sounding voiceovers. They use ElevenLabs or Canva AI to create videos. They use Perplexity AI to research trending topics quickly. Some are building channels around motivation, history, luxury, tech, gadgets, or interesting facts. Once their channel grows, they earn money through YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, and sponsored videos. Take Daniel from the Philippines. He worked at a call center and started a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools. Within 6 months, she was earning over $3,000 a month, with sales coming in even while she slept or spent time with her family. The third method is creating digital products powered by AI and selling them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Amazon KDP. This is especially powerful because digital products require no shipping, no inventory, and they can generate passive income for years. People are using Leonardo AI and Canva AI to create printable planners, journals, coloring books for kids, digital templates for business owners, motivational quote posters, ebooks written with ChatGPT. Lisa, a teacher from Canada, created a simple mindfulness journal using Canva AI and ChatGPT. She uploaded it to Etsy and Gumroad. That's the power of AI-driven digital products. You create it once, upload it, and it can make you money forever. He used Leonardo AI to create cute pet art, uploaded hundreds of designs, and now earns a steady $3,000 to $5,000 per month passively. The fourth way people are building quiet wealth is through affiliate marketing, combined with AI blogging. With Perplexity AI and ChatGPT, people can now research low-competition keywords, write SEO-friendly blog posts, and recommend affiliate products, all in a fraction of the time it used to take. People who spend just a few months learning AI tools are now consulting businesses. Mark from India built 3 micro-niche blogs around fitness gadgets, smart home devices, and AI productivity tools. Using AI, he writes 1 blog post in 30 minutes, and after 6 months, These blogs started ranking on Google and bringing in affiliate commissions. He now makes between $1,500 to $2,500 per month passively through affiliate links, despite English being his second language. With smart research, AI-written blogs can rank in search engines and generate daily commissions from Amazon, ClickBank, or SaaS products. And Canva now manages AI-driven marketing for 10 small businesses, making over $7,000 per month. The fifth method is through AI-powered e-commerce and print-on-demand stores. You don't need to be a designer to launch a t-shirt store, a mug shop, or a poster business, and selling them on Flipper or MicroAcquire for $2,000 to $15,000 per website. With Leonardo AI, you can generate unlimited unique designs in minutes. People are uploading these designs on Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy, selling funny quotes, niche-specific merch, or aesthetic designs. Alex from the USA created a Redbubble store targeting pet lovers. AI allows anyone to participate in global e-commerce without inventory, shipping, or paid ads. The sixth way is by offering AI consulting services to businesses. Many small business owners still don't understand how to use AI, how to use ChatGPT for customer support, how to generate social media content with Canva AI, how to build simple AI-powered landing pages with Durable.co. Freelancers are charging $500 to $2,000 per month for these services. Julia, a former receptionist in Australia, took free AI courses online, practiced with ChatGPT. Even if you can't code, you can partner with developers via revenue share and build small software businesses powered by AI. The eighth method is by flipping AI-generated websites and digital assets. People are using Durable.co to build niche websites with AI content, growing them for a few months. Dan from Spain built simple AI-powered affiliate sites in 30 days and flipped each one for $3,000 to $5,000. Digital flipping is booming because people want ready-to-go online businesses, and AI allows you to create them faster than ever before. So, let's review quickly. Freelancing, income scaling, using AI writing tools, faceless YouTube channels powered by AI, digital products created with AI blogging with affiliate marketing, AI print on demand, e-commerce small business, AI consulting services, SaaS businesses powered by AI AP, flipping AI-generated websites for fast cash. And these aren't get-rich quick schemes. These are scalable online business models where AI cuts your time in half or more. Now you're probably thinking, okay, but where should I start? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.